lone wolf.
Hey, terrorists, feel free to kill.
Oh my. What are you guys doing over there? You guys are being buddy-buddy? I'm just watching.
Who's the furthest away from people? Cameron.
Where's he at?
What are you doing? Huh? Sit down. That's exactly what a carrot.
Oh!
You just pulled out a
Oh!
guy.
Hi!
How you doing?
What are you doing in here?
I'm just looking around.
Oh! Don't scare me like that.
Let's have a conversation.
Wait, no! I don't want to talk to you!
That's so mean.
You fuck off!
So mean, though.
This isn't fun!
That's so mean. Don't you like want to look at it?
I do.
Yeah. It's so nice.
I do.
You know the funny thing is, like,
I just melee killed you. I know. I know, man. Actual fuck.
You take it real easy on me. Brad went over there, pointing his gun at everyone.
Oh, you're over here. Hi,
Are you
buddy.
a terrorist?
No, I didn't know you were over here.
Are you a terrorist?
I'm not a terrorist.
What do we do if we're not a terrorist?
I'm just over here to hide from them.
How from who?
Fucking, well, there's Buddy over there. Fucking,
Who are those people?
well, Buddy, fucking right down there.
Who are those people?
I don't know, man. You just got melee killed, though.
Alright.
That guy behind us.
I killed you.
Okay.
I killed you.
That guy behind us looks scary.
Are you a terrorist?
I am.
You are?
I am. I melee killed you.
Is it game on or what?
Yeah.
So is it all?
Yeah.
What if I kill you?
Well, I just killed you, though. I melee killed you. I bonked you.
So that count?
That counts. Because I don't have a knife, so I just gave you a little bonk.
Oh, okay.
I
I didn't know that part.
You didn't know that part?
I didn't know that. I thought it was just you.
The other guy has a knife. Yeah. Fucking
I knew you were the. I knew you were the terrorist. I was just playing with you.
Shh.
So I'm dead now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you know, like, number one terrorist you left. Just saying, guys.
Diddy, should we go investigate this? Where are you running off to? Fucking get shit on! I fucking just saw you move through the cracks! Who's fucking popping at me now? Yeah, no, I'm not excited, man.
You want a gun?
Yeah! Maybe so. Thanks, buddy.
50 feet.
Is the other guy dead?
I don't know.
Shit. Oh. Shit. Hit! Did you guys get the other one? Get it! That's good! Huh? No! I almost got him! Yeah!
I hope you know that one shot I hit you with was the last gas in that mag, too.
Oh, fuck off! What a guy!
One more!
I'm sorry, buddy. Thanks for that, man. I probably wouldn't have made it.
You guys can come over here now.
Buddy, I had to! That's terrorist. I got 4 people.
Pretty good.
I'm pretty fucking proud, man.
I told the grenade that I thought I killed him, but I didn't. I missed it.
No, you're not?
Good shit. Well, where's Jackson at?
Are we done?
What's a good idea, but guys, only 2 of you? Only 2 of you guys?
Yeah, 2 of us.
Yeah, there's the 2 of us.
Can you pass me your dance?
Are we done?
No, we're gonna do one more.
My dad's not here for like another hour.
Oh, fuck.
Man.
What the fuck? I thought you were gonna get me so bad, but...
Who's the other terrorist?
It's such a perfect shot reading it.
I felt it in the eyes. I'm like,
Are we
what
gonna
the
finish
fuck?
everything?
Yeah, we're just gonna do one more game there. We're just waiting on Buddy to gas his mag.
Oh, you're true.
I know, man. Sucks, eh?
Look where I put my pistol at.
I thought it just went off as you're putting it in. Like, you almost shot your junk.
Huh? Oh. I thought I was your dad! Oh.
It's only on the weekends.
How do you have 2?
It is the weekend.
Oh. Magic.
You have 2 and you still didn't shoot me with one. Huh? I'm making that a YouTube short.
Look, wait. It only shoots on the.
How cracked that thing is now.
Dude, I got a wicked one in there today.
I'll make another one.
You buy me a new. Okay, we're all here. Everybody heads down. Gather up.
Come nice and close.
This will be nice and fun and quick.
This time, terrorist, you will in fact have these armbands. Not on you, in your pocket.
Yeah, hide them in your pocket.
Oh, I gotta go refill.
And when you get it, don't just drop it this time, okay?
Dylan.
Yeah, bushwalking.
Screw you, you don't throw them down.
You gotta come closer, man. If I'm gonna pick you, you are so far away from me.
Touch me, Mitchell.
I
Touch me.
sort of meant Brad, who's like has a wall between
Brad!
us.
Brad! Brad,
Move closer!
Come hold my hand.
Move closer! Thank you! Heads down!
Pick Brad! Brad wants to be the terrorist.
No, I'm not.
You just got tapped though, I heard it.
No!
I heard it.
That was my holster.
Lies.
I don't have a helmet.
Terrace, have you seen each other yet? Brad.
Come on. Don't do this to me. I'm not a
Okay,
terrorist.
heads down! Alright, everybody, mingle! Go! Move! Hustle!
Everyone shoot Brad.
Oh, we're wearing them. We're wearing them still from like Team Deathmatch. You think the terrorists are gonna wear the armband?
Dylan's a terrorist!
Why would I wear it? You think I am stupid? Jesus. What the hell?
Hi, ladies.
Going.
Terrorists, you're welcome to kill now!
You suck.
You swallow.
Okay, I'm too fat this
Liked
guy.
it.
The one time in my life where I had an opportunity to get both of you.
Asshole. Probably because you're supposed to shoot the terrorist.
Why are these two sticking together but everybody else split up?
That's what I was thinking.
I killed both the terrorists.
Oh, fair
I
enough.
trust him.
Yeah, why? Because he's known for fucking 9 years.
I know if he was lying to me, little prick. I would. What? What, if I'm a terrorist or not?
Yeah.
Yes? Yeah, you already fucking did. We walked away.
Okay.
Fuck him. I know he's not. What the fuck? I never get a little bugger if he
Oh, that one wasn't me. My name's
Oh! Yo, Brad's aiming at us.
Not you.
Where's Brad?
You.
Get down!
Behind you.
You shoot them, I'm not.
Yeah. Are you saying like 2 people are circling you, Brad? Maybe possibly Garrett? Probably. Yeah, like that person.
Shoot those. Those two behind you.
Was that you?
No, it's the other guy across from you. Don't
They're all pointing in different directions!
Don't shoot me. Come on.
I don't know what I'm doing. I thought the shooting.
That's exactly what a terrorist would say, though.
I thought the shooting came from behind you.
Look me. Look at who I'm shooting at.
I'm pretty sure Brad's a terrorist, guys. He is shooting at me.
I can't kill the man for a second time. I'd feel bad.
Here.
Solin's a terrorist, too! Or, I don't know who's over there.
It's that Colton.
Ah, God damn it, Colton!
You shot Brad!
My entire life is sowing discontent.
You I just fucking watched you shoot him!
Behind me for sure.
I don't even know who the terrorist is.
I'm fairly confident it's Colton.
So are you serious?
I wasn't.
Okay.
I was last game.
He's gonna light him up. He is like killing all of you.
Jack's the man. Push him.
So who's the terrorist this time?
Colton's one of them.
Okay.
Come on, Jackson, parkour up there! Do some sweet John Wick shit!
Get in there!
TTT games here are so much more docile than the ones I'm used to playing. Like at CDA, it would be 5 seconds, everybody would just start unloading on each other.
Pretty much. This gives you too much thinking time.
Thinking.
Get in there, you got this.
Oh my god, he's pants.
Oh. What the fuck?
Drop your mag.
Don't tell him that.
fucking point your pistol at me. I didn't shoot fucking Brad.
Why are you shooting?
You're the terrorist now.
No, I'm not.
What do you mean you didn't shoot Brad?
It was that guy down there.
I shot Brad.
What a fucking guy.
What?
You were shooting somebody else. I can't trust nobody.
I can't tell you.
Buddy hasn't said anything this whole game. No. Fucking guy.
Terrorists do have stuff in their pockets?
Yeah, start digging around in your buddy's pockets.
Yeah!
Just talk to these man.
That plant really
Eat shit, plant.
No hiding up there.
What's in your pocket? Nothing. Really? I'm dead. No, like, we need to kill that.
Fucking imagine.
just you!
Are you shooting at me?
Yeah.
Find any terrorist stuff on people?
I'm dead, man.
You sure you want to?
No! 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 I beg for mercy! I beg!
Your mercy's been given. I got 3 bags.
I'm dead. I'm fucking dead.
So confused.
He's shooting at you from up on the hill!
Learn to fly!
That's that magazine empty.
This is the last game, right?
You jump
Yeah.
around and miss.
Is there any tune on that thing?
Did you know that instead of shooting off your mag, you can empty it back into your bottle for next game?
You Well, are you a terrorist? Then go kill the terrorist!
Go rush him, Jackson! Go see what happens.
They're over here. Oh, they're walking down the hill.
They're walking down, get him.
You can't. Yeah, get him! You confused him!
What the fuck? Last, come on down, everybody! Are you out? Roll out! It's just Jackson!
What is this?
Take a look. It'll be right.
You're so agile. You're like a snake.
It looks amazing, whatever you were doing. Does like rolling sideways make you move any better?
Next game!
We didn't learn how to do a fucking thing and kill each other. You should have shot when we walked away, dummy.
What a fucking guy! What a fucking guy!
I don't even know what they're doing, you guys. How many times do I need to say last
Ow.
terrorist? Yeah, but you always say I'm a terrorist. And I always think somebody should shoot you. No, that's it for today.
Fuck yeah, let's leave.
You empty?
Fucking Zola. I'm gonna shoot you right now.
I should've!
Shut up.
I fucking should've! Next time I will, buddy!